The rich becomes richer and the poor becomes poorer. So guys, imagine this is Jollibee of the Philippines, a big fast food chain. Jollibee is expanding around the world. Did you know that Mang Inasal was bought by Jollibee for 5 billion pesos? Ayan po yung date sa baba. And then bumili din siya ng coffee shop na, ano bang pangalan nun? Coffee Bean. US based po yung Coffee Bean. But Jollibee bought it for 18 billion pesos in 2019. So what is the purpose of this video? Rich people can generate income from the masses, millions a day. Pero ikaw at ako, you and me, is finding it hard to find success. SOPI was created to fix the unfair financial system of the world, to fix corruption, to fix monopoly, pero imposibleng maging equal ang lahat kasi talagang merong aangat at may aangat sa'yo. Kunyari, may mga naunang nag-mine ng pie, sila yung mas maraming pie. Kaya ito yung mas nauna sa, sa ganitong business, mas marunong na siya sa'yo, hindi na siya bababa, i-expand na lang siya.